Hello, everyone. Thank you for joining our space. We will start in just a second. Hey, Alan, how are you?
Thank you, thank you. I'm very good. I'm very good. How about you?
I'm good. I'm good. We are just waiting for a few other members to join.
Yeah, I'm excited. I'm excited. Hope you guys come soon.
Hey, Malchus, how are you? How are you doing?
Hi, Kevin. I'm good. I hope others in the space are also doing fine. Just, just saw Binance has listed Pepe, and yeah,
Awesome. Yeah. Hey, Owen, how are you? Arvin, if you are speaking, you are on mute. Hey, Joey. Hey, Joey, how are you?
I'm doing great. Can you hear me?
Yep, I can hear you. So awesome. Thank you everyone for joining the Twitter Spaces. We are really excited to start this weekly ritual at Swift of doing Twitter Spaces and sharing more with the community, just bringing the community in terms of what's going on behind the scenes and just introducing everyone to new projects and things like that. So we are really excited to start this. This is our first week of doing it. Uh, Today we have team members of Swift Blockchain, and everyone, like, we are going to share what Swift is about, what are new features that we have introduced, and just talk more about it. And if you have any questions, you can write them down in the comments of this space. So we'll get to them. Awesome. So I think we have all of our guests over here. First of all, welcome everyone. Thank you for taking out time for your from your busy schedules and joining the spaces. We really appreciate your efforts. So I would just like to invite everyone to introduce themselves and just tell us more about yourself. Malchis, can you please start?
yeah. So once again, a good morning, evening, night to everyone who's listening. I am Melkis. I am the head of business development and marketing for Swift Blockchain. I am with the company since 6 years, and yeah, so I handle most of the marketing and the business development stuff along with a super cool team that we have at Swift Blockchain. And some of them are here today. I'm sure everyone's looking forward to hear from our team. This is our first space. So, yeah, we are excited to have a word with our community and, yeah, looking forward for a beautiful, wonderful time for the next 30 minutes to an hour. Yeah.
Yeah, Joey, please take it ahead.
Hi guys, my name is Jovi. I'm actually the lead API and now working on growth for Swift blockchain. And I've been working for Swift since 2018. I've started as a customer support representative. I'm sure a lot of you who follow Swift from a long time knows me because I always assist with all the inquiries and stuff. So yeah, that's it for me.
Alan?
Hello guys. I'm Alan. I'm one of the business development manager in Swift. I've been with Swift for almost 6 years now, from 2017, and also I'm also the lead on the listing. So in case someone is wants to inquire about the listing on Swift blockchain, you can always contact me, send me a direct message on Telegram or here on Twitter. Yeah, speak to you soon, guys.
Yeah, definitely we will get deep into listings and everything. So thank you for your introduction, Alan. Owen,
Thank you.
please take the stage.
Yeah, hi everyone. I'm Arvin. I'm one of the marketing manager at Swift. So yeah, I handle the Twitter. I post stuff, and yeah, looking forward for this Twitter space.
Yeah, Arvind made his intro very short, but
Yeah.
he does a lot of stuff around Swift.
He he's a
It
man of few words, but his work speaks a lot.
yeah, it will take the whole spaces if we just list his work. Okay, awesome guys. Thank you for the introduction. Really, really lovely to have all of you here. I'm really excited to have this conversation openly. Okay, let's get started. Joey, I'll pose this question to you first of all. Can you introduce the Swift? What Swift is all about? So, can you just tell us about Swift and Swift blockchain?
Yeah, sure. Actually, Swift has been founded in 2017. Swift blockchain is a cross-chain wallet exchange and payments platform, which is powered by our coin, which is Swift Coin, SWFTC, if you know it. Um, the platform allows users to swap, trade, pay, and share hundreds of cryptocurrency. Currently we have 400 plus tokens listed, and then 50 plus blockchains on our platform. So our technology combines blockchain, machine learning, and big data to enable direct swaps. And we are also looking at AI as of now. So that's one of the most exciting things that we are working on. So hopefully we will be able to release that soon. So that's it for a very short introduction of Swift.
Yeah, thank you so much for that introduction. Malchis, do you want to add anything to that introduction? And please tell us more about Allchain Bridge. Uh, yeah.
Yeah, Jovi said it very well over there that Swift is basically one-stop solution for all your cryptocurrency needs. So All-Chain Bridge is, it's a platform that we have made wherein a user does not require registration or login, and he can complete cross-chain swap. So this is something that everyone looks forward to. I'll just give you a short example. What happens is that one of my friend who wanted to buy crypto, so he told me, I want to get into crypto, what should I do? So I'm like, okay, do a little bit of research. He was like, I want tell me some top exchanges where I can hold my coins. And of course, Binance is something that I recommended to him. But then again, the FTX fiasco came, and then it's like, not your keys, not your coins. So he was like, where can I swap, wherein I hold the coins myself and I can directly swap. So I told him, if you want to swap BSC, you have to go to Pancake or any other platform which supports Binance chain, or if you want to swap to Ethereum, Uniswap is there. So he was like, okay, great. And after a few days, he came back to me again saying, okay, this is too hectic for me. I'm overwhelmed. I want to invest. I want to buy some coins, but I have to switch platforms, this, that. So can you give me a one-stop solution? And that's why I told him, okay, I didn't plan to promote my own company, but yeah, here you go, All-Chain Bridge. So this is a place where you can cross-chain swap. You can hold all your funds in one wallet, and yeah, that's something he liked. And now he's one of the holders of Swiftcoin. So he backs our technology. He thinks that this is something that is required in the market, wherein you do not have to go to multiple platforms, multiple places, and there are a lot of cryptos that are supported, over 400 plus, and we keep adding them on basis of popularity, etc., etc. So yeah, this is a short introduction about Swift, and yeah, I am looking forward to others also from the community to share their experiences if they have tried All Chain Bridge and what do they feel about it.
Yeah, I mean, so I the first time that I used All-Chain Bridge, I'll describe that experience as magical because uh, so here was my experience before that. Okay, so if I need to switch coins between two chains uh, just switch between two different coins, it took a lot of effort. First of all, if I had it in my decentralized wallet,
Mm-hmm.
uh, and if it was only easy if it was on centralized exchange, but all-chain bridge is something that's really fast, really beautiful, and it reduces first of all the amount of transactions that you have to do if you want to move from one coin to another, or if you want to move from one chain to another chain. And not only that, it's better user experience as well, because you get all the information that you need. Hey, what's going to be time of this transaction, what's going to be transaction fees of this transaction. So it's real. So like for first time users who only knew that to switch between two different chains or two different coins, I had to go on a centralized exchange and do different things over there. This experience was really cool. This experience was really magical. Malchus, can you please share the website of All Chain Bridge for our listeners so they can possibly go there?
Sure, I will add it in the. I'll share the.
Okay, yeah, okay, I have it. So it's allchainbridge.com, ALLCHAINBRIDGE.com. So yeah, just go there and experience it for yourself. Uh, Awesome. Okay, so we have next question for Arvind. Arvind, can you please tell us more about history of Swift, when Swift started, and what has been the timeline of different products? I know Swift has been one of the most innovative products. Like we have innovated a lot. We have created a lot of products for the community. So I would just to I would just like to have that perspective of what has been timeline of different product launches and how we have served timely products to the community.
Yeah. So we for Swift Blockchain, we launched it on Q4 2017. We have a lot of beta testers that time. The only if I remember correctly, the only available feature that time is the decentralized cross-chain swap. Then few months passed, we developed our own wallet, so the swap feature can be much faster that way because the we remove the confirmations needed from the blockchain. And then um, the team has been working really hard to update the product, the UI design, and then we have partnered with different projects, getting Swiftcoin listed on different exchanges. And to be honest, we are proud that up until now, it's still listed on top exchanges like Wabi, OKEx, and it's been there since 6 years now. Not at all.
Arvin forgot. Yeah, Arvin forgot one of the main exchanges. We are on Coinbase
Right,
too.
right. We didn't
Yeah.
stop
Right.
there.
I remember back then when our app was just starting out.
Right.
I think we only have like the major tokens listed, but currently we have like 400 to 500 tokens listed,
Mm,
and it supports over 40 blockchains from different EVMs also.
yeah. We
And yeah, I think we've gone very far from, if we look back how we started. I think we did a great job for that.
yeah. Not a lot of projects survive in this industry. Even the good ones, they
Yeah,
are
True.
all out now.
I
Yep.
know, I know. A lot of the projects that we started, they are all gone
Hmm.
now, but we're
Yeah.
still here.
Yep, and we'll
Yep.
still be here for a long, long
So
time.
what happens? Yep, that's right. And what happens is that crypto winter, what we call bear market, gives us
Hmm.
time to build our product, and that's what we have been doing. The last bear market, we had a few features only, but we spent some time. We added new blockchains. We built All-Chain
Right.
Bridge in the last bear market. The idea was there at that time, and yeah, we are here again in this not so great market conditions, but we are still building, and we have a new features that we're coming up with. I'm sure we'll discuss it later in this
Hmm.
space.
Yeah,
Yeah.
awesome.
I think
Okay.
they really should watch closely how how things will turn out this quarter, because a lot of community members are asking for our roadmap, but I know we haven't released it yet, but they will be surprised when we release our update this coming
The
quarters.
the roadmap is for new projects. It doesn't apply to us. We already way
Yeah,
past that.
so just stay tuned and hold on tight.
Right. Right.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah, you mentioned Coinbase, and when you open Swift app right now, there is something mentioned about Coinbase. Uh, uh, Joey, can you please share? Hey, so I think our DApp is listed on Coinbase. So can you share more about it and what that is?
What do you mean? Like how we got listed on Coinbase?
Uh,
Actually,
no, I think our DApp is listed on Coinbase.
yeah, we
Yep,
are.
Coinbase wallet. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. Coinbase wallet. Yeah. So Malchis, Joey, please go ahead and share more about it. That hey, what is that and how can people use it possibly?
Yeah, Jovi, you can go ahead. Yeah, I spoke a lot already.
Um, actually, Coinbase has added us for on their wallet, right? So people can use our platform from their wallet to swap, and it also goes to our bridge. So if you're talking about the API, is that what you really mean?
Yeah, so it's basically adding on to what Jovi said is that uh, sometimes people are not, do not want to go to an external website, or if it's not officially a DApp on their wallet, they are a little bit hesitant to trade. But since we are officially now part of Coinbase wallet where our DAPP is there, so it gives users a self of trust that okay, we are legit, and of course those who know us know that we are legit and we are part of this industry from 2017, as previously mentioned. So yeah, this gives users the trust, the confidence, and we get a lot of volume from that as well. So Coinbase is a renowned name in crypto market. Everyone knows what Coinbase does, and in US it's the popular exchange. I'm considering only US, and yeah. So to be on associated with them in any sort of in whether it's all chain bridge app or it's Swift coin that is listed is good news. It's great stuff for us. So that's a right direction that we are looking into. So last year we got listed with them, and yeah, there are some of the exchanges we are still targeting. Of course, if there is any official intimation announcement to the community, we'll share it. So I would request everyone to join our official Telegram group, the news channel group, and yeah, we are working hard to be listed on other exchanges, top exchanges. Of course, you guys know which are the exchanges that are left. I'll not. It's the great one of the greatest exchanges there to be there, and yeah, we hope Swiftcoin will be there one day, but nothing's there for now. But we are working. Everything's in the pipeline, and hopefully, should be good news should be there by the end of this second quarter.
Yeah, Mal, just thank you for sharing that. That's really exciting news. I'll quickly want to jump to Ellen, our listing head, and just understand what's the procedure of listing on our app and or on all chain bridge. So Ellen, can you please share the process of what's uh,
Sure, sure.
what's the procedure for listing?
Actually, we have a very simple process on listing. Um, Aside from direct message on Telegram and Twitter, we also have a token application form on our website. Anyone can fill that form if you're part of any project, and if you wish to get listed on Swift, feel free to fill the form, and I will get back to you right away. After filling the form, I will do like a quick assessment of the project. I will track the community, the exchanges they are previously listed, and the volume. And if everything checks out, we can proceed to the contract signing. Um, from there, we can tailor the events and the promotions that we can do for the listing. Also the announcement, and when everything is okay, we just give us like 2 to 3 days, and we can have you guys listed right away. Very simple, very fast. So want to take this opportunity if someone is listening here, if you are a part of a team, we support a lot of blockchains and EVM chains. We are SIP blockchain is one of the few wallets to support XRPO, Synpin network, XDC. Also recently, we've integrated support for CK Sync, Arbitrum, and I forgot the other one. But yeah, you guys got the point. If you're part of the team, just ask. Feel free to ask. Um, the form is on the website. Just fill it out, and I will get back to you right away. So that's just the simple procedure in listing.
Yeah, from what I'm hearing is it is just contact us, fill out a form, and then it's a journey that we take together. It's not something that you have to do it alone as a project. There is a
Yeah,
lot of guidance.
we don't want to make the listing complicated. So we welcome all projects that wish to get listed and have like available your token available for cross chain swaps, and also on Ocean Bridge, because Ocean Bridge is really good. It supports a lot of on-chain decentralized wallets like Trust Wallet, MetaMask. Some wallets that only supports a single blockchain, but with Swift, you can connect almost all wallets that has support listed on Swift. So try. I ask you guys to try it out. Try it out for yourselves. Yeah.
Yeah, awesome. Actually, I just went through all the wallets that are available on Swift and all, I think All-Chain Bridge. There are 60 plus wallets available on All-Chain Bridge right now, which is just an awesome feat. I really love the user experience and the amount of variety that we provide for users, that hey, if you have anything you can just connect. So yeah, that's really awesome. Alan,
Yeah. Yeah. I just wanted to add something to Alan what he said.
Yeah, sure.
yeah, please go ahead.
Yeah, yeah. So, like, right, it's not only the listing that we do, it's the after, what do you say, normally an after sale service that we have. So, within the
Yeah.
listing, sometimes what happens if you do is you have another, you have, for example, you have listed a BSC chain token, but you have something in other chain or you want to migrate. This is something that we do. We have priority client relationship guys assigned. So, they will be assigned to you 24/7 if your team has any sort of, what happens sometimes is that unfortunate in things happen in the crypto space. Sometimes there are some leaks, hacks, and all that stuff. It's not only for the use for the projects, it's also for the users. Sometimes best of the best coins and crypto projects get rug pulled or something. So our objective is to provide assistance to both users as well as to the teams that we talk to. And yeah, this is something that we provide after not only listing. What happens in the space is that normally a listing is done and then there is no conversation
Yeah.
between the listing team, and yeah, it's all, but we continuously check on our clients, that we check whether they are happy with the listing, what else can we do. We offer them trading
Yeah.
competitions, other kind of events, and if there is a chance and if the client is really good and our relation is well, so we promote them extensively on our app, all chain bridge. So if anyone clicks on the all chain bridge, the first thing that they see, okay, hey, for example, real Flocky is listed on Swift blockchain or Dodge is listed on Swift blockchain. So that's something that we do, and that's really helpful. If you see the stats, a new user or any user, if he sees ad a notification or a push notification that comes from our website app or the website, they definitely go and have a check with that. And again, we do not have a large barrier. The smallest you can swap is from 5 to 10 USDT, and there are some coins that are below that as well. Again, you can withdraw from anywhere between 5 to 10 USDT worth of any tokens on our Swift blockchain app. So yeah, this is something that I wanted to add.
Yeah. The after sales, so we do marketing, also trading events, promotions, Twitter giveaways. We can also do AMAs. Like after the listing, we can like schedule an AMA, but Arvin will be the one to take care of that. So
Yeah, Jovi,
I
Jovi
mean
Arbino.
Jovi,
Yeah,
Arvin, whoever is available. Even if
yeah.
even if you got listed like a year ago, 2 years ago, you can always reach out to us. Like you think that if the market's doing great and you want to do a secondary promotion for your project, you can just reach out to us and ask us if we can do like events for you.
True. Yeah.
That's right. And also, I would like to add, we actually have very good customer service. We have actually just added chat on our website, so users can reach us better or easier. We are also accessible through Telegram. This is also offered to the users of the tokens that has listed that we have listed. Sorry. So it's very easy. We have 24 hours customer support for everyone that uses our platform. And as what Alan and Melchi said, also for our partners. So this is one of our what you call this, like, game changer plan for everyone, that we are always available for everyone. So there.
Right. So we have at least 2 to 3 people online for customer service throughout the day, and we are still looking to hire more people from South America and from other parts of uh, from the different countries as well. So sometimes we provide regional language support as well, but it's only selected countries. But we are looking to hire more people in the customer service segment. So any of the listeners who are out here who are looking to join a very promising cryptocurrency company, and not we don't treat it like a job here. It's like a family. As you guys might have heard, we are all here from 5+ years, and in crypto, companies do not last for 2 years, nor the employees don't even last for 6 months. But we are here for 5 to 6 years, and yeah, and we still look forward. There are a lot of things that we look forward to, and we also generate profit. We are a profit making, revenue making company, and that's what's keeping us motivated. And of course, our users also keep us motivated to do, because there are a lot of suggestions. Even if I'm a user, I'm a Swift coin holder, I'm not satisfied, and I shouldn't be as well. I have to push the company to do better, and we have a lot of good ideas and suggestions that come out, and whatever is it within our grasp is something that we look forward and we implement at Swift Blockchain. Yeah.
Yeah, thank you so much for sharing that information. I think that's really helpful, and that's helpful for community as well, just to know that hey, it's a really rigorous vetting process. It's there are lots of things that are tested. There is a customer service that's available. So yeah, that's really good to know. I just have a follow up question for Alan. Alan, you talked about our ability to list different on different chains. So let's say if there is a token on Ethereum, we can list that as well, or if there is a completely new blockchain, we can list that as well, like we can list that token as well. Can you please share more about our ability to list this kind of different tokens?
Because we are a Russian company, so that is what we are actually doing primarily. We list blockchains. That is our goal as a cross chain platform. These EVMs, they will take at least 2 to 3 days to integrate. So these are these are quite simple. But when it comes to on blockchain like POS chain, recently we listed BXR. They're not a well known blockchain yet, but they are just starting out, and that's what we do. We do take startup companies and help them grow. Um, for projects with on blockchain, it usually takes 2 to 3 weeks to integrate. Depending on what they call this, the post that they're using. If everything checks out, like if our tech team said that this can be done, then it can be done. I mean, actually there's nothing that they can do. We've integrated a lot of blockchains, and I'm very confident that they can integrate almost all blockchains there is in the crypto space.
Yeah, we have a very good tech team, to be honest with you. We keep pushing them to add new tokens, and they do not, say anything. They're like, okay, we'll do it. Give us some time, and yeah, it's done. Within a couple of weeks, we have new blockchain. We all have to understand it's not easy adding a new blockchain. Okay, some are comparatively easy, but for example, some have their own chain, they have their own nodes and all that kind of stuff. You have to set up nodes and all that is done very extensively by our tech. And yeah, this is something that we have pride in, because it's not easy, for example, to swap an X token from an BSC chain to a BXR, or someone from Shiba into something else. It's kind of difficult. There are not many bridges available who do these kind of stuff. So that's something wherein we all chain bridge comes into play. And yeah, we are happy that we are helping users to save fees and to transact effortlessly within fraction of seconds.
Yep, really happy to hear that. uh, okay, so I'll now move to something very different, in bit different direction. I want to talk about our all chain bridge API. Now I know that with all chain bridge API, anyone can build their own exchange, but I think there is much more to that. So I would like to hear, you know, more about all chain bridge API. So Joey, here is a question to you. All chain bridge is a really interesting thing. Can you shed a light on it and tell us more about what it is, how it works, and things like that?
Actually, this is actually what we offer to those projects who wanted to create their own exchange or wallet. Um, we have a partnership with a lot of wallets, for example, our Token Pocket, BitKeep, Hubi Wallet, Qcoin Wallet, Ballet Wallet. We have been working with them for a while now, and also our Swift blockchain is designed to give wallet users direct, transparent swaps between 400 plus crypto. Sorry about that, and almost 50 plus blockchain. So what will happen is that once they integrated our API, they get to choose which token they wanted to add on their wallet. or on their exchange. So the secret engine behind the cross-chain swap services like Token Pocket, Bitkeep, and Huobi Wallet is our API. So in the 5 years or 6 years plus experience in cross-chain, we were able to do bridges, like what all chain bridge do, and we have a new product which is bridgers. This is great for those people who wanted to use, who wanted to swap from one chain to another, and this is also offered to our API partners. So since we have a lot of selections for cryptocurrencies, like 400 plus active tokens, they can add any token that they want. It includes like stable tokens or stable coins like BTC, ETH, LTC, XRP, all those kind of tokens. Also, we offer them 24 hours support, not just for the technical side, but also for the users that uses their platform. So, for example, with Token Pocket, if there's a stock transaction, we are the one who process it or who help the customer or the users for it. So, also we have great security. This is one of the things that we really proud of. We have never had issues with security, and this is the reason why a lot of wallets or exchange had really great trust with us. So that's it.
Yeah, thank you for sharing that. Malchus, who is ideal user of our API first of all, and then who is their end user? Like who is ideal user for our API, and then who is their end user from the product that's created from our API?
Okay, very interesting question. So, who is the end user? It can be you, me, anyone. And who is this API for, right? That's what you asked. Like,
Yes.
yes, it again, anyone can, it can be you, it can be me, or anyone. So I'll come back to my friend again. Okay. Sorry, I'm a little bit under the weather, so my audio might not be that great. So what happens is that my friend recently got laid off. He was working in a some firm, but he also had his some pastime wherein he used to write blogs, and they're really good for finance blogs that he used to write. So what he told me was that, okay, now I've got laid off, I'm looking for extra source of income. What can I do? So I was like, do you get reads on your blog? Like how many people? He's like, yeah, the read count is great. I do some affiliate marketing and yeah, I get some income from that. Okay, I'm like, do you want to add another source of income wherein you just need to, get a widget, all chain bridge widget into your website, get it embedded. And then what happens is that any user who swaps on that, this you get a percentage of the. So for example, anyone who swaps using the all chain bridge gets a small fee sharing that we do with our clients. So we have a fixed fee of 0.3%, and on top of that, anyone who wants to use our all-chain bridge, as their own exchange, or you can, build the front end according to that how you like, and you can charge a 0.1 fee or something like that. So every swap that occurs to your exchange, your platform, your website, or your wallet, you get a fee, and at the end of the every month, we have a dashboard and we see, okay, for example, partners can earn, some partners on who are associated with us earn easily up to 50K to $75,000 a month only through revenue fee sharing, and that's a good amount. These are wallets, but I can also tell you there are some individuals who earn easily around $1,000 a month who have added a widget into their website, and the website has a decent amount of traffic, and they add a small fee. And again, we provide 24/7 customer service as well. Sometimes the chains are congested, there is some issue, there are token price fluctuations, though there's not enough liquidity. For all that, we have a 24/7 customer service team who can help you at any point of time. And this is something that we offer to our clients and to anyone. So even you can add it on your website. I can, if I have something else, I can do it from my side as well. So as anyone can use all-chain bridge, just add our API and start earning. If you have the crowd pull, you have audiences that follow you on any of the platforms, Instagram, Facebook, or you write blogs or any other stuff, can be done. And just add it, and it's done.
Well, that's really interesting. There is a lot to explore with that. I mean, yeah, everyone should just go and check it out. I feel there is a lot to explore over there. Okay, so I think now is the time. Now is the time to talk about the newest feature that we have added into our inventory. Gasless transaction is something that makes user experience much better. Gasless transaction is something that's uh, makes Web3 more convenient. One of the biggest drawbacks at the moment of Web3 is that it's not as user friendly as these Web2 applications are, and this is a very important step toward making it more user friendly. So, Arvind, I'd like to ask you this question. Uh, we have cashless transactions available now. What is this feature? Please explain in detail to our audience.
Yep. So yeah, our team created this for majority of the cryptocurrency users, especially those who want to use the DApp. And if sometimes when we create so much transactions, our mainnet tokens such as BNB or HT run out, and we have to buy that on exchanges again. But with our new features, users can still swap crypto without if even if they didn't have enough mainnet tokens. Currently, it's supported for networks BNB, HTOKX, and I think it's ETH as well.
Nice.
Right?
Yeah.
Yeah, and then
Yeah. So basically, just to add on to what Arvind said, what happens is that sometimes if I want to have, I want to swap anything, I need to first add mainnet token into my wallet. If I want to,
mhm,
I need to have BNB and so. So something we have coming up with this is that you can just hold USDT and you can swap. You do not need to have any mainnet tokens for gas. And yeah, this is something that we are working and we have launched it in, but we are still trying to improve daily. We are testing
yep,
it with our users, with our community. So this is something we haven't promoted or disclosed yet. This is, you can say, a breaking news kind of stuff that we are exclusively disclosing it on spaces, and we share the link. We'll share more details in the coming time. But yeah, we are very excited with this feature, and we look forward to taking this feature, taking using this feature uh, to get Swift Coin and Swift blockchain to another level.
Thank you, Irvin, and thank you, Malchus, for chiming in there. Yeah, it's really interesting feature and really progressive step towards building a better user experience in cryptocurrency and blockchain. Uh, I just want to throw this question out there in open to all of our speakers. So how are early users of these gasless transactions have responded to this feature? That what's their response and how are they responding to this?
right. So, like we said, we haven't announced it yet, but it's available on the DApp. Anyone can try it. We're still working on adding new chains because we support a lot of chains, like 30 EVM blockchains, and we want to expand that. We want to have this zero gas fee transactions available on other chains as well. But as you know, it is still experimental. We are improving it. We want the users to swap without any issues. So yeah, and but yeah, like I said, anyone can try it now. It's on the DApp. We will post the tutorial link later,
Hmm.
after this. So anyway,
Yeah.
we hope
So
to hear your feedbacks and suggestions to improve it.
right, it's something that we really look forward to launching it on a grand scale. But yeah, unfortunately, I revealed it. I'm going to have it from my team. Yeah. No. So again, what our goal is with this is to make user experience more friendly, more easy. Do not need to have multiple. You do not need to have mainnet tokens, and just swap easily whenever you wish to. These market conditions are kind of difficult. Sometimes there is a sudden pump and a sudden dump, and you have some stable coin, you want to buy the dip, but you do not have the mainnet token. So what, till the time you go and do all that stuff, it's already gone. The dip is already absorbed. So anything that you want to do quickly, this feature can be very helpful to users who want to swap within fraction of a second and take the advantage of volatile market conditions.
Yeah, that's really really awesome. Now we'll move on to. Can you hear me, guys?
Yes, yes.
Okay, awesome. Yeah. Now we'll move on to community question. Community, if you have any questions for us, please write them down uh, in the spaces tweet. You will see that chat button in the spaces below. We actually have one question right now. Yeah, and anyone from the speaker wants to answer, please feel free to take it on. What is the future of Swift, and what are you guys doing to grow?
Yeah. So, Jovi, you taking?
Oh yeah. I just want to say this one. We wanted to lay it all out for you guys, and we wanted to for you guys to know all of what we're doing right now. But we wanted to be perfect before we release it. We don't want to disappoint any one of you. So just watch out or follow our Twitter. Join our official Telegram group. And also follow our Telegram channel, news channel, to be able to get news, and then you will see everything that we are doing in those channels. So there. But we have a lot of in store for you guys. So watch out.
Yep, awesome. Let me see if we have another question here. No, not really. Okay, awesome. I think that was a really good space. We got lots of information. We got some information that wasn't supposed to be out yet from Malchis. So thank you, Malchis, for that. Uh, yeah, thank you everyone for joining. Thank you, Malchis. Thank you, Joey. Thank you, Erwin, for joining the two spaces. It was uh, really interesting hearing from you, and I hope you had fun speaking to the community and answering all these questions. Thank you, Alan, for joining as well. Alan is uh, not as a speaker anymore, but yeah, thank you, everyone.
Yeah,
In,
thank you for being a great host, Kevin. And we look forward to having more spaces. It's good to talk to the community, and yeah, we will use this medium frequently enough to communicate with our Twitter followers, our community members, and yeah, trying to stay more close to them, trying to give them first-hand experience of what we are trying to do, what and yeah,
Yeah, and also, so for community, there is something that I can share at least from my side is that we have a really interesting guest for next week. I think it's on 11th of the May. Everyone will be so excited that we have them here. So yeah, just follow us on Twitter and stay tuned for the announcement of that uh, today's basis. So we have really interesting guests for next week. See you next week, everyone. Thanks for joining. Thanks for participating. Thanks to all the speakers. See you guys. Bye bye. Have a good day. Have a good night. Thank you.
Bye guys.
yeah, guys.
Yeah.